All right, so we're in Tampa right now. We're about to head up to Spring Hill. I'm going to grab a 2018 Yamaha R6. As you know, the 17 to 20s are the best body style of these R6s. They stopped producing them. So I'm super excited to buy this bike. A guy from Instagram hit me up on my Built from the Bottom account, and he said he wrecked his bike. He's been like paying it down in the last like couple of months to get to a point where the payoff is about what I'm willing to pay for it. We'll see what I actually end up getting this motorcycle for. I want to get for like 2,500 bucks. You know, he owes 44 on it. We'll see if he wants to match like 2K on it. This bike will sell once it's all put together nice, like 10,500, 10,400. So I'm really excited because I have quite the like range of budget to make this thing look exactly the way I want it to. So we're about to head up to Spring Hill. Yep, this is my rear pocket. What's going on, bro? How's it going?
Nice to meet you, man. How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, that's right.
Has it been sitting just like this in the garage? For months?
It's been 2 years.
Where are your jet skis at?
I saw everything. I
Really?
saw my Camaro, I saw everything.
Why?
I'm moving back to California.
Those all parts I didn't throw away.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah, you threw away what, the tank with the...
So that had a big dent on it.
Yeah, but you threw out the fuel pump module.
So
Okay, so you have the fuel pump module. What were you saying that you threw out though?
the tank.
Hello.
Sí, es el que está medio doblado.
Mhm.
Esta pieza hay que comprarte la nueva.
Yeah. Because these, you know, these are easy to check. Yeah, that is. You know.
Yeah, it's been so, right?
Mhm. This will crack. It's really unlikely this will bend.
I'm surprised that nothing happened to the frame. Just
Was it that bad when you went down? Yeah.
It was bad. I'm surprised nothing happened to the frame or anything.
Yeah.
And this back here.
We're buying a scrapper bike. Gonna rebuild it from nothing. This bike's gonna be sweet. Got no brakes.
You're gonna do that alone?
Look at him. Where'd he go? Thanks. You got it? Alright. Don't let go of it, okay? Coming down. Go slowly. Right, I got the R6 in here, and I sat here, I wrote down a full list of everything that I need to buy for this bike, and I also already ordered everything, so I'm just gonna go through everything with you guys on what I ordered for this bike. It's, you know, in pretty good condition for everything that's here, but the problem is he took everything off of it, and with these bikes, because they only made them in this body style for 3 years, the parts are pretty expensive. So this is the full breakdown on everything that I bought for it so far. There's always going to be a couple of little things that I end up missing out that I have to go buy later. But as of right now, I've spent $2,099 on parts for it. That's not including a fairing kit. So that'll probably put me at around, you know, $2,600 after a fairing kit. Then I need to get the tank painted and whatnot. So about $3,000 in parts is where I think I'm going to be on this. Good things that we have: OEM exhaust, a nice little Two Brothers slip-on, which I don't think is gonna work with that right there. So I think there's like, you have to cut these and maybe put a mid pipe in it. Then I got some OEM mirrors. This one's a little scratched up, but I have another one from a different bike sitting in like the front office area. Seat needs to be reupholstered. We got our headlight assembly right here, which just broke at the bracket, so I'm just gonna repair that. Got our OEM gauge cluster, our running daylights, our RDLs, and then, you know, ECU, tank cap, just little things. We got a windscreen. Right here is our stator cover, brand new OEM Yamaha stator cover. Got the ignition, quick shifter, fuel pump module. The levers are good on this. So I ended up getting this bike for $2,000. Super excited about that. That's a great price, and I really feel like I'm at a nice number in this thing. So I can't go wrong at $2,000. Super happy with that. Looking at this, I ordered a lot of parts for this thing so far. So first things first, I ordered a front stay for this bike. There's just no front stay in general up there. And that ended up being $62. Then I needed the headlight assembly housing, which like everything mounts onto. That was $125. Had to get a tank for this bike. There was like only like 3 tanks on eBay to pick from. So I got a blue one with no dents in it for $535. I need an upper and lower triple because you can see down here at the bottom of this triple, it is bent back. So I can't even put these OEM headers on the bike until I get a new triple in it. These forks are good, but the triple, you know, snapped at the top. And then that lower piece is bent. So that was $156. You can see right here, the triple just completely snapped. Full subframe for this bike. And that was something that's really, really hard to get your hands on, because if you do the conversion to make this look like, to make the 08 to 16s look like a 2020, you have to get the subframe. So I end up having to pay $745 for a subframe. I got a radiator with the fans on it because I have no fans, so it's just a full radiator assembly for $202. A left shock cap. Check this out. So a shock cap right here, because this is just grinded down. That was only $50. I thought it might end up being a little bit more. I estimate my tank to get it color matched to the fairing kit that I'm going to put on this, which I'm pretty sure is going to be a matte black fairing kit, because I was going to go with something that's like kind of the same color as this MT09 right here, where half of it was like this neon yellow and then the other half was like gloss black. But I think just a full-on matte black on this would look super sweet. So we're going to do matte black fairings on it. So matte black tank is going to be like $250 to get painted that color. I ordered a set of clip-ons because I only have the right side, so I need a left side clip-on. Levers are good though. However, those were $53. Air ram, the front air ram with the sensors, like the ambient air temperature sensor, was $100. And I ordered a set of pegs. So you see this peg's just snapped off. It's like $9. And I want to make everything on this bike look like brand new, so this kickstand's ground down a little bit. That was $59. That's the full breakdown on everything on this R6. I'm not going to get into doing any work on it because I got like one piece to put on it, and I could pull this forks down and put the headers on, but I'll just wait till everything comes in. I can knock it out in one video building this complete bike. But before, you know, I end this video, I'm gonna show you guys what else I got going on that I haven't shown. Even though I've kind of filmed all this stuff, I haven't shown it. So I bought this Ferrari California that was storm damaged from the hurricane a little while back, and I'm currently working on it right now. I got the seats pulled out. You know, when they're flooded, you gotta redo all the wiring harness and stuff, so you can see what's going on there. But I got some really, really cool stuff that I haven't shown anyone yet. I got a boat in the back right here, so I have a 28-foot, I don't know if the camera will see it, coal bolt. I got this from the storm too. The other side has a little bit of fiberglass damage on it. And I've redone quite a bit of electronics on the inside of this, so this is a whole bunch of work. And then, you know, I got another boat down the street that I bought that, you know, this boat needs to be done before the other one can get done. Aside from the boats and stuff, because I got 2 cool boat builds that I'm going to be doing. I got this Ferrari build. I got, you know, this Ducati. I haven't shown the finished video of this being finished because I'm waiting on like a couple little parts from Italy, and then that'll be done. MT09, just kind of got that one that way. I got 2022 MT07 that I'm just redoing the plastics on. This one's going matte black. I'm on like a matte black craze right now. Then you come in here, I got, let's see, so I bought another property. This is property number 5 for me. I closed that on the 5th of next month, and that's gonna be the new property that I moved into. It's an extra 1,000 square feet than I have right here. I closed and remodeled that property last month on the 5th. So it's 60 days back to back buying properties, and you know, it's just absolute mayhem. I'm a one-man show cranking everything out. So I'm gonna end this video with showing you a little bit of the process of me remodeling this property right now. We cannot go inside of it because I have a tenant already lined up. He's inside of there running his operation. And yeah, I pretty much came in there, mobbed that for like 2 weeks, remodeling the whole thing, tearing up all the tile and whatnot. I'm not gonna talk about it. I'm just gonna show you guys here in the video. I hope you enjoyed this R6 video, and I'll crank it out as quick as possible. It's gonna be awesome. So I'll catch y'all later. Peace out. I'm back to uploading, baby. Let's go. So that's my OG warehouse. Not OG warehouse, the OG warehouse is over there, the one that I bought like 2 years ago. And this is the one that I remodeled last year. And then the one down the street that I just did is, you know, down the street. And this is the new one right here. So this is 2,180 square foot. I already have a tenant for this property, and all I'm doing right now is I'm renovating it. So the night before I closed, because I just closed on it today, I tore down this wall section right here. I'm gonna make that straight at the top. I got the studs and the rails to do the new wall. Right here we got some 1/2-inch drywall. It's gonna be some real simple stuff. I just went to Home Depot. I'm a little bougie, you know. I had to go get the Milwaukee. I feel like this is the equivalent of a girl getting a designer purse, going to buy a nice name brand tool. I got my sprayer. I got some paint, some mud. These are all things from like the other renovations I've done. Some new outlets because all these outlets are super yellow, and I'm just gonna replace all those so it looks all new and fresh in here. So we're gonna close up this wall right here. I'm gonna jackhammer out all this tile. So then we can put down my new standard 36x6 taupe. I got it right here. So that's gonna be step number one is, jackhammering out all this stuff. We'll see how long it takes. And look, I'll show you. We're gonna remove all that stuff, everything in here, jackhammer all this stuff out. We got the bathroom, tear it all out of here. I'm gonna pull these doors off, put new hinges on it, new handles, repaint everything, put new trim. I'll do 6-inch box baseboard around this whole room. I'll box that off, and I'll do, a box 4-inch around the door frames. We'll close this off. All this is gonna be cleared out. I'm gonna have to repaint this gym rats thing. On this whole thing getting done by Monday morning.
No chance. Absolutely no chance.
It's completely unrealistic, dude.
I'll be having it done by Monday morning next week. I'll be real surprised.
Jacob, this is gonna be done, all tiled. This room, that room, before you guys leave.
In 4 hours?
So yeah, you're gonna have to contact them and figure out what you have to do because right now it's just silence, but it's still in trouble mode.
Okay, please.
Yeah.
So they're gonna have to update that.
So
whole
yeah,
thing.
it was cheap though.
Dude, they were so ready every time. Jacob, 12 o'clock update. I got these day laborers off of Indeed. Right here. Benjamin, I think his name is. And he's about to sand and mud this wall. And then I got this guy, CJ.